What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you the My Work tab on monday.com. So here I'm on my main page or my main dashboard. Now I have home and I have my work. So the My Work tab or the My Work board here is the board where I can see all my assigned tasks and all the work that I'm assigned to or mentioned in. So here I can view in the table or calendar. Of course, I don't have any tasks right now since this is like a test account. So I don't have any tasks that I am tagged in or I'm supposed to do here or I'm assigned to. Now here I can view a calendar view. I can here view by date or sort by many filters. Now to customize it here, go to customize and view here search for the names of the people that you want your task to show. Show your work on any board that you want. Status, or show the status like the in progress or done or stuff like that. The date, so you can show your tasks here by date or priority. And you can view here the options for the table view of the compact or contact view, or you can edit the settings for the calendar view.